Problem 35 is a transformation, and they ask for you to reflect that shape over across x equals 2. Usually with reflections, they're going to ask you to do a reflection over some line. Oftentimes you've seen it as either the x-axis or the y-axis. So for example, if we had a shape that was here, and they asked to reflect that shape over the x-axis, which is here, you would count up the number of spaces between here and here, and here and here, reflect that a similar amount of spaces on the other side of the x-axis, draw your points, count up to these spaces, draw your points, and your new shape would be positioned there. However, in this problem, they're asking you to reflect across x equals 2. When you see this type of problem, the best approach is to draw a new line of reflection. They're saying to reflect across x equals 2. Where does x equal 2? Well, this is x is 0, this is x is 1, this is x is 2. X equals 2 at every single one of these points on the coordinate plane. So the first step would be to draw a new line at x equals 2. Okay? That is now our line of reflection. Our original shape had points here, 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 and here. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be reflecting that shape across that point where x equals 2. This point here starts off 1 to the right of x equals 2. It needs to reflect 1 to the left of x equals 2. This point starts off 2 to the right of x equals 2. It reflects 2 to the left of x equals 2. This point starts off 2 to the right. It needs to reflect 2 to the left. And this point starts off 1, 2, 3 to the right. It needs to end up 3 to the left. If you get the coordinates for those points, you'll find that they align with answer C on your test paper.